Afternoon all. I'm here without the dogs, just having a look a bit about around Brisbane. So what I'm standing on is the old cargo wharf that used to be here, and down there they used to run mule trains or horse-drawn trains along the wharf before they moved everything out of further down the river. A bridge that was built in the 60s, looking across to the city. So a bit of interest. So this was all new or replaced from when they used to use it as a wharf. So it's quite interesting. We'll just go for a bit of a walk and show you the area a little bit. You guys thought I'd do a video without a dog. There's a dog going for a swim.
And then I'll go as
He's having fun. Unhappy doggy. So that last video I took was off an air raid shot. I couldn't say much because of Workmen there and that. Happy doggy. There's tennis ball. Just throw it to me. Looking for that ball. There he goes. Oh, got it. Back into the water. So all this here is all being developed into a shopping precinct, entertainment and all that sort of thing. So land hasn't been used for a long time. Of course we have a ferry. Going off to dock, and there's a paddle boat over there. Lots of boats. Another ferry over there at the terminal. It's a little ferry. So this building might interest some of you. It's an old sandstone building, really old steps, even older steps going up. Looking for crabs. Old portholes. So what this building is, it's the old customs house. Boats used to have to pull up. Bike riding past. And as the ferry pulls out and takes off, we shall say cheerio for another day. That's where we just came from, the bridge. Catch you in a while.